To set up a custom design or custom document in CorelDraw, the first step you need to take is to launch the desktop application or access it through the web. So here I'll be using CorelDraw on the web. So I'll launch my web browser. As the browser opens, visit CorelDraw.com and log into your account. Okay, once you find yourself on an interface that looks like this, you have the letter option, you have A4, you have web, and you have more. All right. Since your interest is on custom design, click on more. You'll be taken to a page that looks like this, giving you some suggestions. The first step you need to take is to add a title in this title section. So I'll clean this and I'll call this tech design. All right, just give it a name of your choice. The color mode CMYK is picked by default. If you want, maybe it's for screen viewing, you can go with this one. But why I'm choosing this is because this design is something I will print at the end of the whole thing, okay? At the end of the design. Now look at where the work is. In this dimension section, you have the right to choose a custom dimension of your choice. This is in inches, but I don't want to have this in inches. I have the values in pixels. So click on this drop down and select any unit of your choice. I look at pixels here. I will click on that. Then this width, they have converted the initial inches, the initial measurement in inches, they have converted it automatically to pixels. But I will remove this value and have what I want to have inside. I want to have the value as 1556. All right. Then the height, I want to have the height as 2000. Okay. So I will remove this and type in 2000. That's 2000. The orientation is portrait. All right. If you want landscape, go with landscape, but I'm okay with the portrait. Then the resolution by default is 300 dpi because that is suitable for printing. If you want something more, click here and select a different value or just assign it by yourself. But I'm okay with this 300 dpi. And the next step is to click on OK. All right, so this interface will open for you to start your design. Then I can scroll down on the mouse, all right, of my PC for if I want to zoom, if I want to bring everything together, all right. All right, you can see now everything has now been brought together and I can see my work area.